This is the S638 from WoHua RC. It's a 1/32 scale, 2.4 gigahertz. It does look a lot like the Cybertruck. It is the same vehicle as that, just with a different body. But if you're watching this and you didn't see that video, here's what comes in the box. We do get a little pack of road cones and stickers that you can make an obstacle course. These stickers go around these barrels. And then this one actually comes with another set of stickers, which looks like fog lights that will go on the truck. Yep. If you look on the truck there, it does not have what looks like the fog lights. So you just put the sticker right there on the truck. And then here is another pack. You get your little screwdriver and you get your little dummy antenna. You also get a USB charger, which it does look a little bit different than the charger that comes with that. This one that I got here, it does come with an extra 3.7 volt, 100 milliamp hour LiPo battery. There is one in the truck, but this one came with a second one. And then you also get just a few little screws in there as spares because they are extremely tiny and possibly lose one. Here is the controller. You're gonna have to use that screwdriver that you got in your pack to open it up. It does require 2 AA batteries. Also here, we can just put that little dummy antenna in the top right away, but it is proportional throttle. It is non-proportional steering. You get a high and low speed switch, and then your on and off switch right there. And one last thing, I almost forgot. Still in the box there, you do get a little instruction manual. Now to the truck, you do have your steering trim right there. You also have your power switch, which it does not come on when you switch the power switch on. That's because it's not plugged in. Here is the battery compartment, and you have to take out one of those little tiny screws to get it open. And yep, I lost a little screw. I think it fell in the body somewhere. There it is. So let's plug it in and see what the truck looks like when it's powered on, because there is an LED that shines underneath this body and then it glows through the body. Before we turn the truck on, now that I have the battery plugged in, I'm gonna put this sticker here. There we go, that looks a little better now. So I do have it turned on. When it's looking for the controller, it does flash, and then when it binds, it's a solid LED. I'm gonna dim the lights. I wanna see what this looks like in the darkness. Oh, there we go, look at that.
Look at that, that's nice and shiny.
It does look pretty neat in the dark. I love the way that green is glowing. So there is the proportional throttle. I just wish it had proportional steering. But for a price point around $20, you can't expect too much. So I'm gonna hit the speed switch and see if I can tell a difference in the wheel speed. You saw the 2 flashes. The 2 flashes mean I'm in the high rate, and then the 1 flash means I'm back in the low. I can tell a slight difference in the sound of the wheel speed, but it is not that big of a difference. That's it. That's all that comes in this box. So I'm gonna charge this battery up, take this thing out. I'm gonna run it around. So here we go. Okay, we got the S638 all charged up, and we're gonna turn it on and turn the controller on, and now we have a bind. I want to just run around here in the parking lot and just show you how decent it is. Now, this is not meant for off-road or anything like that, and even just macadam is sometimes a little too rough. There's no suspension on the front, and the tires are very thin, so it feels every little bump and it pops the front end up. There is a little suspension in the rear, so it does absorb a little bit, but that's all you get.
And we have the 2 batteries, so that's, ooh, the trim is way off. The thing with these, with the manual trim, that's not too bad. That's with the manual trim like this. Uh-oh, it just cut out there. The thing with the manual trim, it's cutting out again. That's not good at all. The thing with the manual trim, you can never get them perfect. Let's hit the snow pile. Oh, can't really go up too far in the snow pile. Let's try again. Yeah, not too good there. So let's just keep it on the pavement. So I am in the first rate, and it goes pretty good. I know when I was doing the test, okay, I can see a difference, but look, I just lost signal. There we go, now I got it back. I wonder if that's a signal issue or if that's how they all are. I mean, I wasn't really that far away. I should have been able to get a signal. See there, it cut out again. Look, I see the LED flashing like it's looking for the, there now. Huh. I did not have this problem with the S638. I was able to get pretty far with the S658. Maybe my batteries in the transmitter are weak. I don't know. They're fairly new batteries. I don't know why that would be an issue. So it rips around pretty good. All right, so you get the idea. That's about it. You got the high, low speed, you got your on-off switch, you have the proportional throttle, non-proportional steering, which that's the only downside to this thing, really. And the fact that I lose signal at like 20 feet away. But I don't know, it could be just this one that I got. I might have got one with a bad receiver. But like I said, I had the S658 and I ran that and I got way further away, so there was no issue. And these are basically the same thing, just a different body. Okay, we made it to one of my favorite spots near where I live. I'm at the lake and we do have a waterfall here. Pretty cool. I like coming here every now and then. This thing actually was pretty good. Besides the dropping signal part, it looks really awesome, glowing green like that. I like this one more than I like the S658. So